Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in Windows 11, if we head into our taskbar settings, as you may well know, and we head to taskbar behaviors, we've got an option to show smaller taskbar buttons. You've got three options: when taskbar is full, never, and always. And as you can see, it shrinks the buttons and the icons in the taskbar. Now, although it shrinks the icons and the buttons, you can see the taskbar itself remains unchanged. So if you aren't a fan of the taskbar itself taking up screen space, then just to let you know that Microsoft has added a new taskbar size setting that changes the size of the taskbar itself in the latest Windows 11 experimental preview build that rolled out late last week in my part of the world. 26,300.8758, and this is something we have spoken about previously on the channel, and now Microsoft is officially testing in the experimental previously known as the dev channel, where Microsoft says it's introduced a dedicated taskbar size setting, which makes it simpler to find, understand, and personalize your ideal taskbar experience. So if you select the small in the new taskbar personalization settings, Windows makes the taskbar thinner or smaller, unlike it currently is when you just toggle show smaller taskbar buttons. So with this new setting, when the taskbar itself is thinner or smaller, the icons become smaller as well, like it is currently over on Windows 10, because Windows 10 only has the one option: use small taskbar buttons, and when you do that, the icons go smaller and the taskbar goes thinner as well. So the so-called older show smaller taskbar buttons option is specifically about the buttons and icons, not the full taskbar. So that's where this setting is going to be coming into effect, which I think is great, because at the end of the day, eventually in Windows 11, Microsoft will let you use both options, which means Windows 11, in effect, will then give you more control than Windows 10 in this area. Because as mentioned, Windows 10 only has a use small taskbar buttons, which makes the icons smaller and the taskbar. So in Windows 11, eventually you'll have the option to make the taskbar size smaller, which will do exactly what it does currently in Windows 10, where both the taskbar and the icons will go smaller. Or you'll just have the option, like it currently is, to leave the taskbar its normal size, but just show smaller taskbar buttons. So quite a lot of configuration coming into the taskbar, which is nice to see. And this is all Microsoft trying to fix Windows 11 this year in 2026, as we have been talking about on the channel. And that has been, a smaller taskbar has been a highly requested feature, as is the movable taskbar, which Microsoft is working on as well in the same build as we have spoken about previously, where you'll be able to move the taskbar to the top, left, and right. So nice taskbar configuration coming to Windows 11 shortly. This is now in the experimental channel, as in the old dev channel. So I think it's only a matter of time before the feature starts rolling out to the general public. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.